Það tekur mestan tíma að ná augunum eðlilegum þegar stórar veggmyndir eru annars vegar. Ástralski veggjalistamaðurinn Guido van Helten hefur vakið athygli með veggmynd sinni á Vesturgötu. Hann var síðan fenginn til að skreyta Héðinshúsið og ein mynd af 3 er tilbúin. Margrét Erla og Benedikt Ketilsson hittu Guido á dögunum.
This was the first work that I did in Reykjavik, and I was speaking to my friend, and he was trying to get me a wall, and we approached the owner of this house and asked her if she wanted to have the wall painted. She agreed. I showed her some previous work I did in Skagastrand, the artist residency where I was before this, and it was basically the same sort of theme. She asked me, and she said, "Could you maybe paint my grandfather?" And so she brought out the frame of a photograph of her grandfather, but just a basic photograph. And I thought, maybe. And I took a photograph with my phone, and I thought about it, and I didn't think it was ideal, the image, but I came to the realization it's just too perfect not to paint, since he is her grandfather. He used to live in the house, and he just obviously has a presence in the area. So I didn't sort of expect the response that this wall got, and I've asked people about it. I've asked them why do you like this wall so much, and I kind of think that maybe it's to do with the familiarity in his eyes. I'll always start with the eyes, and it's because I think it's the most important part in a portrait. So one eye here took probably like a whole day, and then the second day I did the other eye. They were very detailed, and I got probably more detail than I've ever done before on this wall. And once they were done, I think it really makes this piece.
There was a man that saw Ragnar over there,
yes,
and asked you to decorate a much larger house.
Yes. Well, basically, I was painting this wall, and I saw some people that seemed to be quite interested in what I was doing. So they came and spoke to me, and they sort of said, "Come over here and have a look at this." And they showed me this building. So they're like, "What would you do with this?"
Guido hefur í samvinnu við Baldvin Albertsson leikstjóra tekið upp allt verkið í svokölluðu timelapse, sem felst í því að mynda verkið með einni ljósmynd á mínútu fresti fyrir komandi heimildamynd verkið sem mun bera titilinn R.K. R.X. Ætlun Guido og Baldvins er svo að setja heimildamyndin á netið og gefa öllum kost á að kynna sér verkið, söguna á bak við fólkið á myndunum og þá áskorun sem felur í sér að festa á filmu listaverk af slíkri stærðargráðu. Myndin er væntanleg fyrir lok árs.
They obviously expected, a series of faces, but I found that what the difficulty was they would have no connection. So I started inquiring with the Reykjavik Museum of Photography in their massive archive selection of photographs, and I thought that I could work on a project that would involve them, their images, and then subsequently have a cultural relation to this spot or the city. Mm-hmm. And so I then solved that problem by finding these 3 images from a play by an Icelandic photographer. He's called Anders Kolbeinsson.
Andrés Kolbeinsson var ástríðuljósmyndari, en hann var líka stofnfélagi Sinfóníuhljómsveitar Íslands þar sem hann lék á óbó í nær 3 áratugi. Myndirnar sem Guido notar eru frá fyrstu uppsetningu tilraunaleikhússins Grímu á verkinu Læstar dyr eftir Jean-Paul Sartre árið 1961. Á myndinni sem tilbúin má sjá Helgu Löfi og Erling Gíslason.
But in the end it really seems to work similar to this wall because people know these actors. The female, she's called Helga Lowell, and that's Erlinger Gislason. But her daughter came and spoke to me, and her whole family's seen this, and they're very excited about the whole wall.